Go ahead. You just eat it. Just eat it. Just bite the leg off. Try a leg. Yeah, just chew it. Just bite it.
What about the head?
You can eat the head too. Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
Hey, don't put it there. Put it in the trash. Put it in the, hey, pick that up. Put it in the trash, please.
Good, right?
No, I'm eating this brain. Come on, now move up. Mom, I don't like the head.
Okay, don't eat the head. Just eat the leg.
Mom, get my favorite food.
I am.
Get my favorite food.
I will. Is that good, Andrew? You don't like the head? Just throw away the head. And throw away the head. And you put it right here. How is it, Tanner? Is that the first time you've ever eaten octopus? What do you think? Just bite it off. Just bite it off. There you go. Put it. Yeah. Put it in here. You can put it on here. Just throw away. Yeah. Oh, you don't like the head either. Okay. You guys like the legs?
Ah.
Just the legs. Okay. Spit it out. Okay. Here. Get some more. Go ahead.
I almost threw up on that one.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? You sure? Andrew likes it.
It tastes like macaroni and cheese with
I thought you liked macaroni and cheese with crab.
I love crab, but it tastes like those together. They taste gross.
Okay, good job trying.